Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing the pivot tool. So if you go to the pivot widget and open it, you'll see in the top right it'll say open level. And it's important to use this pivot map because it uses 0, 0, 0 in the world to place the pivot. And you could do it in another level, but you may have like, other actors in this part of the map which might make it a bit difficult to see. So if I now bring in this mannequin, you can see at the moment the pivot is on the bottom of the mesh. So if I now come here and click on the top preset, see the pivot's going to be on the top. So we'll just call this top head. Now if I click new mesh, what it'll do is create a new folder called new pivot if this doesn't already exist. And then it'll place your mesh inside that folder. You can now see that this mesh has now got the pivot on the top. But let's say for example we want to overwrite the pivot of the mannequin underscore SM. So let's say we want to put it in the center, for example. If you just click the center pivot, it'll put the pivot in the middle of the mesh. And then if I just grab the name of this mesh and then do slash game slash and the name of the mannequin and then do overwrite. So you now overwrite the pivot of this mesh that already exists. Now when I drop in, the pivot will be in the middle of the mesh. And you can also use the place your pivot with the Alt and middle mouse wheel without using the pivot, and then just place your pivot point on 0, 0. And then if I just do overwrite again, place it in, you see it's still got its original or its new pivot point in the top right. So that's it for the pivot tool, and thank you for watching.